Welcome to Innover UK CE Wizard and our first step, the introduction. I'll promise to you that once you have completed this wizard, you'll be able to CE mark your structural steel products and get your FPC system certified by a notified body. In other words, during this CE wizard, I'll help you meet all the mandatory requirements for structural steel products CE markings. I guarantee to you, if you are willing to invest some of your time and effort in this project and in this CE wizard, we'll be done with CE markings in less than a month. We have decided to divide this CE wizard into 6 individual steps that each deal with different parts of your CE marking project. The time requirement for each step varies from around 20 minutes to a few days. On one hand, you may need to get mandatory welder qualifications that can take even a few weeks to acquire. Then, on the other hand, some steps, like controlling your personnel, take just a few minutes of your time. We recommend that you complete the CE wizard one step at a time in the given order. But if you want to, you can always navigate between the steps and complete them in any order that suits you. You can even complete 2 or more steps at the same time. And naturally, some steps may not concern you at all. For example, if you don't perform any structural design, welding, or thermal cutting, you can skip over these requirements and directly move to the next one. We have prepared each step so that they follow the same general logic. First, we have a video tutorial where I'll introduce you to the standard's mandatory requirements, but still the video focuses on what must be done in practice to meet these requirements. Then, next to the video tutorial, we have prepared written step-by-step instructions on how you can meet all the mandatory requirements. For some steps, we have included all the necessary information in the description, but for most, you must see the related documentation for more detail on how to meet the standards requirements. And kind of like as a side note, the things that we cover in these video tutorials and in the step-by-step instructions are exactly the same things that we do in every single turnkey project with our Finnish CE marking customers. Then, in the right panel, we have included all downloadable document templates that are needed to complete each particular step. These documents can include FPC manual, working instructions, quality documents, and how-to manuals. The FPC manual that you can download is the main document of your FPC system. It includes a short general description of your company's processes that are used to meet the standard's mandatory requirements. Working instructions, on the other hand, include more specific information that deals with the actual manufacturing process. We have included all mandatory requirements in the working instructions and that they must be followed during the manufacturing process. The quality documents, on the other hand, include the proof that you are going to need to show to the third parties, like the notified body, that you actually do the things that you claim you're doing in the working instructions and in the FPC manual. How-to manuals include some short guides on how to perform one or another CE-related task, like welding coordination. These manuals are like working instructions, but they are much more informative. If you run into problems with some of the steps, we have included a frequently asked questions section in our website. Please use this flag as your primary source of help. But if you cannot find a solution to your problem, you can always contact us via email or Skype, and we will do our best to answer you within the next full Finnish business day. So I hope you are going to enjoy this CE wizard, and I wish you a good luck.